Hello, this is Mr. Collier.
Hi, Ms. Uaz.
Hey, this is Mr. Thomas.
Today we're solving equations with variables on both sides. So here we have the x's on both sides. We have 6x and 15x. So we can start by subtracting 6x from both sides. So you always want to take care of the x's first, and this is the smaller coefficient is 6, so we'll subtract 6x from both sides. This gives me just 20 on the left hand side of the equation. And here we're going to have 9x and then minus 79. Okay, so then we add 79 to both sides. Oops, 79, and this becomes 99 equals 9x. And then lastly, we divide by 9 and we get x equals 11. Okay, next we are going to do this one, and we have x's on both sides. Here we have a 1x, so that's a smaller coefficient, so we're going to subtract 1x from both sides. We have 4 plus 10x equals negative 46. Then we subtract 4 from both sides, and we have 10x equals negative 50. Then we have to divide by 10. We get x equals negative 5. Okay, in the next example, we got 4x over here is the smaller one. So we're going to subtract 4x from both sides. And then we've got negative 13 equals negative 52 plus 33x. Then we're going to add 52 to both sides. And we have 39 equals 33x. And then I'll divide by 33. Then we get, this is a fraction where I can simplify by dividing numerator and denominator by 3. And we get 13 out of 11 is our fraction in simplest form. Okay, next we have one with brackets. So first, if you have brackets, you usually want to expand the brackets first. Okay, so we have 2y minus 2 plus 3 equals 4y plus 2y minus 6. So on the left hand side, we can add these together. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. And over here we have 6y minus 6. And at this stage we can't simplify anymore. We have variables on both sides. The smaller coefficient is 2, so I'm going to subtract 2y from both sides. So we have 4y equals, 4y minus 6. Then we add 6 to both sides. We have 7 equals 4y. Then we divide by 4, and we get y equals 7 over 4. Just leave your answer as a fraction. Okay, next example, we have a fraction on the left hand side. So first thing we want to do is get rid of this fraction, and that's divide by 4. So to the inverse operation of divide by 4 is multiply by 4. So we'll do that, and we get 3x plus 2 equals 8 minus, that's 16 minus 8x. Now we got variables on both sides. The smaller one is negative 8x, so I'm going to add 8x to both sides. So we have 11x plus 2 equals 16. Then we have 11x equals 14, and then we divide by 11. And we have x equals 14 out of 11.